Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. So in this video I will show you some couple of methods to take the screenshot. The first and basic one, press on volume down button and the side button. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. Right? Again I will show you, just press on volume down button and the side button. So this is the first one, and the second method, go to the quick panel. And here you can see the option take screenshot. If you are not viewing this controls here, just we need to edit the quick panel. Tap on the edit button, on pencil button, you can see, tap on this one and you can add this screenshot option to your quick panel. Okay, just tap on the option take a screenshot. You can see simply the screenshot is captured from the quick panel. Simply tap on the option take screenshot. Okay, and the third one, using the edge panel we can take the screenshot. For this we need to enable the edge panel. So here I already enabled the edge panel. Tap swipe inverse the edge panel. So here you can see the option take screenshot. Tap on this one, simply the screenshot is captured. So let me show you how to enable the edge panel. For this, go to settings. Now tap on the option display. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option edge panel, turn on this one, tap on this one. So here you can see some customization for the edge panel. Here you can see the option panels. So after enable the edge panel, we need to add the taskbar to the edge panel. Then only we can take the option take a screenshot here. Okay, so again I will show you. Swipe inwards, tap on take screenshot. And the third and next one, using the AI, we can take the screenshot. Again go to the edge panel. So here you can see the option AI select. Tap on this one. Now just make a draw anywhere on the screen. You can see. Now here you can see one option for the take screenshot. Tap on this one. Now tap on download button. This will successfully save it to your photos. Okay, and the AI select will appear in the apps panel. You can see here, at this here you will get the AI select. Okay, and the next method, using the palm, you can take the screenshot. Just swipe from the right to left or left to right using your palm. Let me show you. You can see the screenshot is captured. So the next one, using the accessibility menu, you can take the screenshot in this device. For this we need to enable this menu. For this, go to settings and scroll to bottom, tap on the option accessibility, tap on this one. So here you can see the option interaction and dexterity. Tap on this one. We need to turn on this option assistant menu. Turn on this one. Here you can see the assistant menu. If you tap on this one, you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. Simply the screenshot is captured. Tap on assistant menu, tap on screenshot. The method, you can take the screenshot using the Bixby. For this we need to enable the option Bixby. For this, go to settings, tap on advanced features. Here you can see the option Bixby. First of all we need to enable this one. So let me show you how to take the screenshot using the Bixby. Hey Bixby, please take the screenshot. You can see. So without touch the device, we can take the screenshot using this Bixby. Hey Bixby, please take the screenshot. You can see. So simply almost 7 different methods you can take the screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.